Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 4 on line. It's an element of art, and we use lines to make all kinds of cool artwork. Today we're going to use diagonal lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, curvy lines, irregular lines, thick lines, thin lines, all different kinds of lines. We're going to use the lines together to make a picture of outside called a landscape. And this landscape is going to be made up using all different kinds of lines. It's a little bit of a lengthy project, so let's gather our supplies and get started. Grab some paper, a pencil, or markers, or crayons to get started. Our goal in this activity is to draw a picture of outside using only lines. All right, we're going to make a landscape picture. So let's start by putting in the horizon line. And it's going to be a wavy line in my picture. I'm going to draw a big mountain in the back. And then I'm going to draw some rolling hills below the horizon line. I'm going to draw a swirly line. So I'm going to start with a swirl. And I might do another one this way. A swirly line that way. And let's put some swirly lines up in the sky. Just make these lines go from one side to the next. I might make it look like there's a little bit of snow on the top of that mountain, so I might make it a different color. And then I'm going to divide these. I'm going to carry that line further down. So that's one hill, this is one hill, this is one hill. So in each one of these sections, I'm going to put a different kind of line. I might even add another swirly line in here. Make it a little bit more swirlier. And then I like the idea of, oh, maybe this is, now it's looking like waves down here, isn't it? Even though I didn't intend to draw like water at the bottom of this picture, I really like that now, so. So each one of these sections is going to have a different kind of line. So I think for this section down here, I'm going to put just contour lines like this to make this section look like it isn't flat. So I'm just putting a curve in between these two parts of this really thick line. Then I'm going to do the same on these over here. Every swirly, scrolly, twirly line is going to have this contour line. Now, whether I color this or not, it's still going to be an interesting looking design, and you're going to be able to tell this line is different from the others, even if I don't color it. So I'm going to continue on. If you want to draw along with me, that's perfectly fine. I'll just do this in real time. I won't speed it up. So now just continue drawing your picture of outside using only lines. I'm noticing that I'm making some pretty good progress with my drawing, but a lot of the lines look really similar. I mean, they all look kind of like curved lines. So some of them are a little thicker, some are a little swirlier, but they're basically curved lines. So I'm gonna have to make an effort to bring in a variety of lines. I need some irregular lines. I need some straight lines. I need some vertical, horizontal, diagonal. I need some dotted lines. I need some variety. So take a break, take a look at your drawing, and see if you're adding a variety of lines. If you aren't, it's time to add some more. If you are, Great job. Keep going. If you'll notice, I colored in every other shape dark first. Then I went back and lightly colored over the whole thing, which colored in every other space light. Notice how my pencil moves in the same direction as the thick line that I'm trying to color in red. When the line changes directions, I change the direction that I'm moving my pencil. I really hope you enjoyed making this landscape using lines. Until the next time we meet, have fun drawing.